So here is an extra episode to that unboxing video of my suspension kit that I had. And I mainly, what I wanted to do, I kind of wanted to verify some claims regarding the weight of the components and of the setup in general, I guess, and just get some numbers. So I mean, it's just interesting to learn. So here I have a factory setup of for the suspension, and here is the H&R basic coilover setup, just laid out this way. So these are H&R lowering springs, so they're more or less like factory. And here I have a factory B4 Bilstein rear shock, and here I have Coney yellow adjustable front strut, bump stop and dust boot and all. So like I said, it's not a 100% fair comparison, but let's just pretend that this is as close as it gets to factory. So I have this and this and that, and I have numbers. I got my scale right here. So okay, let's get to the numbers. So this and this is 8.6 pounds. I'm not going to go metric and say kilograms because it can be converted. So in any case, these two pieces are 8.6 pounds. I am such a dummy. I just realized while editing this video that I completely forgot about this piece that comes with the factory rear spring installation. This is the rear upper spring seat, and I totally forgot to add that to the mass of the rear spring and shock assembly. So this is going to really add to the OEM setup in the rear, 0.9 of a pound. And if that is added to the overall mass of the spring and shock in the OEM shape, that basically makes it equal to H&R spring, shock and height adjuster. These 1, 2, 3 pieces, or well, there's more. I couldn't believe, but that's 9.6 pounds. So this is one pound extra. That's a bummer, and I'm really, I don't know if I'm surprised or disappointed. Now if you go to these pieces, and that's where the difference is. So this, all of this, measures 12.5 pounds. This here, let me see the number, 8.7. So that's just 8.7. That's 8.7, 12.5, 8.7. That's the difference. But I guess that's the whole point. And the difference is this is 3.8 pounds less compared to this. So that's almost like 2 kilograms. 2 kilograms times 2 left and right, so lighter. So I guess they didn't lie when they said that this is a lighter aluminum strut and a lighter construction. Almost 4 pounds on each corner in front, minus. So that's what it is. I guess that's all that I wanted to show in this video. And here's the difference between just a lowering spring. This is about 2-inch drop, by the way, in front, or close to 2-inch, something like that. There is a difference right there. But okay, well, that's pretty much it. That's all that I wanted to say, and let's move on to some other things, I guess.